Hello everyone, my name is Joel and welcome to something varyingly different. So last night I actually learned a bit of Unity code and how to actually use the engine and stuff, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to put together a 2D game. So the first thing we're going to look at is what I started with. Oh, god damn it, I don't want you guys looking at my videos and shit. That stuff's classified. So last night I put together a little tile sort of animation for a platform thing. It looks quite ugly, but that's because it was, taken straight from Blender and then, flattened. And it wasn't as good as I'd like to have been, but, it worked, and that's all that matters. I'll show you the animation for that, and the project scene that I made for it in a moment. And I also made these. These are in separate images, because I was too lazy to actually make tiles for them. But at least in this case, you can actually see the animation live. Now, I'm actually a lot happy with how these ones turned out. So it's got like a really nice cell shape like the other ones, but a lot smoother in this case. I made the sword a bit larger, gave him a shield, and I thought, you know what, fuck it, I'll put it into a 70-degree angle, I think, is the camera direction. Anyway, let's just go through a few of these animations. I actually quite like them, they're really nice. I made these animations a long time ago in Blender. Hold on, this is what I'm doing here, so yeah. Alright, so it's normal 3D and everything. See, look, there's no tricks here. But if we just render image, boom, there we go. We've got that. So let's actually go to the camera angle. Yeah. So this is what we see. Well, this is pre-export, and this is export. So it's the same. Yeah. Well, whatever. Like, there's a lot of stuff in it, and if you guys actually want to know how that works, I'll be happy to explain it. And you know what? I probably will explain it at another date, but we're not doing that right now. I just thought I'd explain on how I did that whole process. Get into the details of it later. So this is a nice little idle image of that as well. But yeah, I made all these animations a long time ago in Blender, and I thought, you know what? I may as well flatten the image and actually use these animation to see if I can use it in 2D, and you know what, it's actually worked quite well. I've not learned how to rotate animations, well, I should say switch between animations just yet, but I will get there. This is the script I've compiled so far. This is all I've done, really. I don't really know how to do anything else. So it's basically, just giving an input for a particular button, W, D, A, and S, which will give it a speed of 5, I guess. I don't really know what that transfers to, I can't remember. My friend that's actually been teaching me this says it's newtons, but I don't really know how to measure newtons either, so shit. Alright, so hold on, I need to actually turn off actually no, I'll show this one last, because then I have to turn gravity back on again. Okay, so this is the first project. Okay, so these are 2D objects, and then that's a 2D flat surface. That is so cool, isn't it? I fucking love how I can do that. That's so fun. Anyway, the controls are basically the same, except there's gravity, and instead of there being S, there's not an S, and W. Oh wow, that's not an S. The W is instead of 5 being a 35. What this means is left and rights are very minimal because the gravity is so heavy in this, because it's actually minus 30, but up speed is 35, so you just get a little bit of up thrust. And while you're going up, you can actually turn properly, so it's quite nice, actually. I found this quite amusing, if I'm honest. It's like it's like a night drone. Basically, this is basically Flappy Bird, but I can turn. So this is literally. This is about 6 hours of me fucking around in Unity, and this is already better than Flappy Bird, which is some multi-fucking-million-dollar game. How does that happen? I don't know. Ask iPhone. I don't fucking know. They probably know. Oh, they do love exploiting their customers. I mean, nothing. Anyway, right to the next project. This just glaze over that little comment of mine. Samsung for life. Alright, we're just gonna turn gravity back. Turn gravity off. And we'll save that. Save project. and we'll go back to top-down screen, so we can actually look at this one. So right now, all I've implemented is the idle animation, because that's just automatic, it's the default animation. I'll be adding in more animations once I actually work out how to transfer them. I just need to work out the, move / press a certain button, and it will just move a certain direction to activate event. Look at me, fucking up my English. Look, I'm trying to get through this video as fast as possible because I want to get back into this whole programming thing. Alright. Well, anyway, this is all we've got. So we can move up, down, left, and right. But there's no, since there's no gravity, there's no friction at all. So it's basically, like flying around in space, I guess, is a really good analogy here. So I need to add friction and sort of just work that out. But for now, that's all we've got. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll definitely keep you up to date on any, exploits in Unity I get up to. And I'll have to do some Unity tutorials. Well, not Unity tutorials as much as importing Blender images into Unity sort of thing, because at least I understand that shit. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys.